The overall air quality in Louisiana is probably something most of us don't think about on a daily basis. More than likely, this is the first time today your attention has been on breathing at all. So how is our air quality?
Actually, the Baton Rouge area's air quality, as well as the state's air quality, is probably the best it's been since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. Industry around the state, local governments, and everyday people have done what they needed to do to bring the air quality in the state back to the level where it's healthy for all.
According to the Environmental Protection Agency, we should be doing a lot better. In December, the EPA proposed that the national ozone standards be lowered from 75 parts per billion to between 65 and 70. Parts per billion measures the quality of our air. Just the proposal itself already made a negative impact. 4 economic development projects chose to go somewhere else.
These would have been billions of dollars of construction and hundreds of jobs, manufacturing jobs, high-paying jobs. But the challenge of getting air emission reduction credits in the marketplace, which is all a factor of this ozone non-attainment status, that drove them to look at other places. So they're not coming here now.
What adds up to our overall emissions? This is where it gets a little confusing.
Emissions oftentimes are thought of as something that's caused primarily by industry. Well, actually, naturally occurring sources are just as likely to be, if not more likely to be, the reason why areas are in non-compliance.
Get ready to have your mind blown.
As an example of this, Yellowstone National Park has a profile of a 68 parts per billion and would be in non-compliance if the feds lower the standard to 65.
Clean air is very important. The goal now is to see if the EPA can find a balance between cleaner air and a thriving economy. In Baton Rouge, Tim Sproles, NBC 33 News.